Welcome back to another episode of the a Top Flight channel, the official channel of a Top Flight computers. Today we'll be going over a fan install. So a couple days ago, I was messing around with my media server, which is down there, and I was taking the front panel off, which is currently off there. And I moved the bottom edge of the panel into the fan unknowingly and broke off two of the fan blades. The fan was on and I just kind of did that. And you couldn't hear the fans break off. No, I did. But I didn't know what had happened, so I took the panel off and I powered it down, and I could see a little gap in the fans. Like if you do that, you can see the gap when they're going faster. It's a little bit harder to tell, but that'll make an unbalanced fan, and not the best cooling, and it'll start to wear out faster. So that was sad. So I went and bought a new fan. So we bought a Cooler Master, a transparent silent MegaFlow, a 200 with a blue LED. This is a 110 CFM fan that puts out 19 decibels, and it is rated for 30,000 hours. And it looks like that. So these are some pretty big fans. So for size comparison, this is a checkbook, so not even as big as, so a checkbook won't even fit. So I'm just gonna mount this fan on there. So let me, excuse me. Just putting my phone on the stand, and yeah. Let's move this up. Now I can see. And okay. Unplug. Turn this off. Bottom. Unplug everything. Plug the video card. And that's it, actually. It doesn't have a lot on it. For those of you that are wondering, this is a Thermaltake Core V, a 21 micro ATX case. It has, that's fine. Wow, that's got some dust on it. Yikes. Only micro ATX boards will fit on this. In this case, they just fit down flat on it like that. You can see inside. This does have space for some pretty extensive water cooling if you want. There's room for a radiator here, here on the back, potentially one back here, although I would keep it that as an exhaust fan. And then you can put some drives in this bay. Power supply is in the other side, and then this back side here has SSD side bays. So if you take it off, this has 1, 2, 3 bays for SSDs. So yeah, pretty good case. But if you're planning on running more than one graphics card, this probably does not support boards that run a SLI, because I don't think that there's a micro ATX board that can support SLI. They're just too small. So, back to the fan. Going to where's the screwdriver go? There we are. Okay. We'll find the fan hub sooner or later. Oh, point of record. That fan I just took off. No, I'm fine. Okay. I thought that it was a PWM fan. It's not. This fan here is not a PWM. It only has the 3 wires. So this can't be controlled by the temperature of the CPU. It's just controlled by the speed and the BIOS, which you control. So it doesn't have a nice sleeve, but I think that's okay. For a fan like this, it's okay. See, I wonder if these screws that came with it will actually work with this new fan. Maybe. Find out. you mean? Oh. Wrong hole. Arr. Whoops. Case fan 1. There. Okay. That's about it. Move this fan over here. This down. Probably a little dust out. And we're just going to move it down below. It's all done now. Other than the panels. On. And where's that power button? Yay! Oh, sorry. Can't see it. So, let me move that server back. That's pretty much it. Put this front panel on without hitting the fan. Case badge. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And let's see. Nothing really for anything. Let me unbolt this. And this is for noise. This is pretty much when it's all done and up. So it's pretty quiet. The only noise that you can hear is from the H60, which is in there. So that's about it. If you want to keep watching our content, please hit the subscribe button. It's the little thing down there that's probably red. Also, if you hit the little a gray bell icon, then you'll get notifications either in your email or on your phone when we put new content up. That way, you'll always get our new content as fast as you can. Thank you.